Okay. Here we go again. Food party. Makikibuklat tayo. Kung alin na nito. Tingnan natin kung ano mga foodies.
Try kaya natin itong drums.
Sige, sige na.
Yan, drumstick.
Maiba naman tayo.
Huwag na yan. Ano pa?
Ito sa India.
Ayoko ng mga ayoko na yung mga rice. Yung mga parang something.
Brother,
Sige.
what can you suggest here other than butter chicken? New one again. What is this again?
This is a big roast.
Roast? This one?
This one is a vegetable matar paneer.
Which one do you think that Filipinos?
Because these are little bit spicy.
Yeah,
I
they
like
like
You
spicy.
like spicy?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this take chicken tawa masala. This is chicken tawa masala.
Okay.
It's a semi gravy.
Ah, semi-crispy.
Semi gravy.
Spicy.
Is it spicy? Okay.
Then the partner of
You
that
like
is-
spicy?
Yeah,
Yes.
I like it spicy.
And what else?
Huh?
What else do you
So
suggest?
this one also in chicken item, na right?
Sarap ng
Or beef
pagkain
also.
dito.
If you can
Huh?
suggest any beef.
There is mutton also.
Sipin mo
Mutton,
magkano.
kumakain ka ba?
But this beef roast is very nice.
Oh, okay. Give us this one.
Okay.
One beef roast.
And what is the partner of this beef roast?
No, you want chicken tawa masala as well also?
What do you suggest?
No, you want one dish or two dishes?
One dish or every meal. One dish for every meal.
Me.
Huh?
Take
One dish
chicken.
of this, one chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One chicken, one beef.
One chicken tawa masala and one beef roast, right?
Yeah.
And what you want with that?
What is good for this?
The best one is garlic butter bread.
Ah, the
Okay,
same?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's
Yeah,
right.
yesterday you tried, right?
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Ayan na si
Yeah.
Ayen.
Yeah, it's
He's
okay.
How
coming.
many?
That's it, only one.
One.
Ay, may dala pa si Ayen na pagkain.
Two, yeah, two.
And then, that's it maybe for now, so they can prepare, then we will just add more.
How are you, sir? Fine. So two garlic naan, one chicken tawa masala, one beef roast, right?
Yung drinks.
One chicken tawa masala.
Kaya nga.
Yun lang.
Kaya nga.
Ano rice? Gusto mo rice?
Huwag na, yakin na yun.
Yung drinks.
Drinks. Anong drinks gusto mo? What do you want?
Ayoko ng coffee.
Oh, ay, mag-order nila ako ng coffee sa kote.
Ayoko. Dito na.
What drinks you want? What do you want?
Bakit mojito? Ano yung may gin? Mojito? Mojito?
Moroccan tea.
Mojito?
Moroccan
Moroccan
tea.
tea we have just rice tea and what is that?
Eh, mag-try tayo ng ice lemon tea nila.
Ice lemon tea.
Oo, mag-try ako ng ice lemon tea nila.
Ice lemon tea. Ano ba yun?
Yung ano nila,
Ito.
ice lemon tea.
Ate, burrito pala to. Ay, maglalabas na siya yung hot drinks. Ayan.
Yung mas ano nila.
Wala tong bayad.
Bakit?
Sabi niya, do you live nearby? So, I supposed to be going there in that mall, but I can come back. So, pay it later, okay? Sige ba?
Bakit?
Hindi ko magana yung machine, wala akong cash.
Okay na. Bayaran mo naman. Magkano to? Sige, libre.
Wala pang bayad ka. Pwede ka kumain ng lit.
Oo, yung supermarket na sa amin sa likod eh.
Pwede ka
Kalimutan yung bayaran. Sabi ko, okay lang madam, kilala naman kita. O, tayo ng chocolate mo.
Kaya mamaya, pagkatapos natin doon tatakbo.
Can you just let them cook the first?
Yeah.
No. The first order. Let them prepare this one. Because we're in a hurry. Thank you.
Masarap.
Ah. Ba, may cake dun sa bahay.
Parang ang dami.
Sir,
Oo.
naman.
Hindi naman sila maan.
Dalawang klase kasi ang
May
samosa.
samosa sila
Chocolate.
dito.
Chocolate lang.
Dalawang samosa.
Ano to?
Chocolate? Kape. Akala ko kape yung orderin mo, te.
Ay, akala ko yung iba pa yung...
Ito, alam
Ay,
mo yung magkano to?
gusto ko yung ano,
150.
ice lemon tea, yung malamig. Ayoko na mainit.
150 dirham.
Yung nakakaalis ng ano.
Ate.
Hindi ako magkakape.
Ah, malamig.
Malamig ako.
Ah, sumuhito ka dapat.
Ako ito. Ano yan? Magkano yan?
Guess. 150 lang to.
150. So, parang ano lang siya. Soda, ano yan.
Kaya yung mga masasarap na ano.
Mahal yan sa, mahal yan sa Hong Kong. Ay, ano ito? Anong tawag dito?
Alo samosa.
Alo?
Alo ay patatas.
Ah, alo is patatas. Alo. Ay, teka mamaya pag may plate na tayo. Alo samosa.
Tapos meron dito chicken samosa.
Chicken samosa.
Mas maliit siya kasi nga.
Pag sinabi,
Meat yun naman.
pag sinabing samosa, ano ibig sabihin? Alo is patatas. Samosa is yung parang ganyang binalot.
Lumpia. Oo, parang
Pas,
lumpia.
pastry, ganon.
Huwag ka bumili ng samosa. May samosa
Sarap?
kasi.
Ano nga?
Sabi sa'yo, Venus, hindi wala.
Ah, may pipili lang ako.
May breakfast eh.
Passion fruit, blueberry,
Sarap samosa nila.
Spicy.
Okay.
passion fruit.
Sa Global Village din, masarap.
Tigil.
Ito na lang sa akin.
Maliliit.
Ito na akin.
Ito sa akin, ha?
Ito yung pinakain ko.
Maghanap tayo iikot. Kailangan hydrated. Huwag ka na magkape.
Ayaw nga sa akin.
Alin?
Ang dami mong binili, bawal ka naman ito doon. May iwan ko.
Ito, sa'yo to.
Huwag yan.
Pili ka lang, Han. Pili ka lang, Han. Huwag ka na magkape. At
Makakala, video ka dali. Sige mo na.
Gusto mo yan?
trying the samosa. Kapag na may ketchup eh.
Parang gusto ko yung kamukha kay Kweti Soy.
Ano?
Ano yan? Ito ba yun?
Ito ang
Chicken.
Mustang.
Sumutang. Ano yung patatas?
Gawa mo naman to.
Yan na.
Sarap ko? Masarap na isa. Ay, mas masarap yung sa Global Village, babe, yung sa Abang.
Love na talaga mga
Saan?
ganyan pagkain. Pero yung
Sa entrance ng Global Village, mas masarap yun. Pabili tayo mo.
Ano order nyo ng drinks?
Passion fruit
Mas
mojito na
masarap
lang
daw,
tayo,
maliit.
half ng akin. Half
Chicken
tayo.
vegetable yan eh.
Nabaon ako nito.
Budel ba ulit?
Pwede mo itong dalhin.
Matagal yun masaya.
Isang box. Ang gawa sa akin to.
Paano may bibit-bit yun?
Isa ba? Naglalagay ko ng duck. Papatas ko. Sa pulo nun. Kasi pagdating ko sa Hong Kong, alas 10 na umaga ang arrive namin. Umaga ha. O day off namin.
Ano sa'yo, te?
Lahat namin.
Ano yung drinks mo?
Pinakababa. Passion.
Pinakambaba.
Ano?
Ah, parehas. Ano sa akin kaya?
Pineapple.
May lime.
May lime na ito dito.
Mo ito?
Ano tayo, babe? Passion fruit.
Isang passion fruit at isang blueberry.
Hindi.
Isa lang?
Isang passion fruit, isang lemon mint.
Ito to sete?
Ano ba ito?
Passion mix.
Mix yata to. May mango din to, te, mix. Ito yung sa'yo, may mix.
Kaylee.
Sister, can you add also this one? Passion fruit mojito, lemon mint, at saka this one.
What's it, Kaylee?
Parang ayaw ni Emmy.
Very good, baby.
Binibig, hindi
Sabihin mo
maanghang.
lang sa kanya, ba't siya magtataka siya, may kinakain tayo.
Hindi ko pinapakain nung ano medyo manghang. Tinapay lang yung pinabigay ko sa kanya dyan.
Saan ito? Ito yung patatas eh.
Ito yung manghang. Ay, wala na.
Hindi, gusto yung ano yung ganito.
Ito.
Wala na yata.
Meron pa.
Ito na lang sa'yo.
Samosa yung na ito.
Ah, yan.
Samosa. Chismosa.
Ito chicken vegetable samosa. Ito yung alo. Patatas.
Mamaya, doon tayo. Try natin sa Global Village i-compare nyo. Kasi ito, na-try ko
Mad
to.
yan.
Mas masarap yung nasa
Mas
Global
mabigat.
Village. At mas maanghang yun.
Gusto ko patatas kasi.
Mas masarap yung nasa Global Village. Maliliit, pero masarap.
Ito, masarap ito.
Ito.
No.
Hindi, mas masarap yung nasa Global.
Sige.
Yung sa entrance.
Mahal yun ano.
Hindi. Pero yung pagkain na sa loob, medyo, di naman
Right.
super mahal. 35, 25, ganun. Kasi sa
Kaya
inyo,
pa din.
sa inyo, ang level ng mahal sa inyo, 65.
Meron ba sa inyo mga sticky rice? Type, yung Thai, mga ganyan.
Mahal.
Okay. Marami din doon. Mga ramen.
Ito sila, samosa.
Sabi ba?
Kasi ito ay mabigat.
Umigit yan.
Kasi patatas. Tapos yun.
Pero mas marami ang bumibili nito kasi pag punta ng trabaho, kumakain habang lalakad.
Kasi Kasi yan, chicken.
On the go food yan. Mas malasa, no? Ito naman na. Chicken and vegetable. Kaya ni Kaylee to? Kaya ni Kaylee. Tingnan mo.
Maganghang.
Wag at ano. Ganda ng sipon niya, no? Nahinog, hinog. Nailabas niya. Naiinitan kasi, lumalabas palagi. Sunod-sunod yung gala niya. Hot?
Mm.
Fashion mix. Which one? Fashion mix. Pineapple.
Banana or orange?
Orange.
Orange.
orange. Ito.
Yeah.
Passion
What is rumman? Rumman? What is passion?
Banana.
Hmm?
Roman is the pomegranate.
Ah, parang masarap yun. Parang masarap yun.
This is Arabic word.
Orange yan. Ito na lang. This one na.
Yeah, this one.
Ikaw? Yun pa
He
rin.
thought there's no samosa here.
Sorry.
Samosa we have no, but this is Punjabi samosa. You know Punjab?
Yeah.
Punjab is a province in Pakistan and in India.
And what's yours, the difference for your samosa?
Because this Punjabi samosa is a big samosa, there are inside
Yeah,
potato.
the small one I
the
see in
small
the
is
global
like,
village.
South Indian.
I like that one. The
That
small one.
The small one we have.
Yeah, I know. Ay, can you give us?
Okay, we can
You
just
want,
try.
you want vegetable or
Give us,
chicken?
give us both.
Chicken, yeah.
Both. So,
And
make it 2-2.
Two chicken, two
Yeah.
vegetable.
Yeah, very good.
Spicy.
Tama na yun para ma-try.
Spicy.
Ah, it's spicy.
Cheers.
Saya ito yung manager.
Ano siya? Friendly.
Sakto yung trabaho.
Friendly siya.
Lagi kami ni Kaylee dito.
Ang dalawa?
Ah, kayo din.
Diretso kami pagkatapos ng
Listen.
yung rice.
Hindi nila kaya umuwi kasi
Gutom
sobrang
na ako.
gutom.
Yung gutom na ako,
Sige,
parang
madam.
hindi na ako aabot magtulak.
Sarap dito.
Pero di ba may mga ganun ka feeling na
Oo.
parang hindi mo na,
Hindi
ko
na kaya magluto. Hindi na kaya pumunta ng bahay para kumain.
Hindi ko na kaya magpwesto. Magpwesto pa, mag-init pa.
Talaga kumain ka na. Kung meron dito.
Vegetable chicken.
Yeah.
It's vegetable
This is Indian.
chicken. Okay. Indian samosa.
Ayun
This
kanina,
is
Pakistan.
Pakistani samosa.
Ito, Indian.
Ay, dali mo ito 100.
Ay, malaki masyado.
Okay lang.
Baka siya walang change.
Parang may mga barya-barya na rin tayo. Uwi ka na. Let's
Your
go.
daughter? She's your daughter or your daughter?
My dog.
Your daughter.
Hindi ko. Akala ko yan.
Ano yan?
Kami ang-
Chicken.
Your sister.
First is
Sister, sister.
Both your
Ito.
you brother sister?
Ah, yes.
Ito.
Chicken, vegetable. Ang sarap.
Try.
Yeah, good.
okay.
Nice.
Try.
Yes.
You want ketchup?
Please.
Huh? Ketchup?
Hindi siya bang?
May ba? Mahal lang din siya. Pero, yung texture niya.
I think you did not make it spicy because usually Filipinos eat here.
Filipino don't eat spicy.
That's why I think it's not spicy.
We eat.
No, more, some Filipinos too much spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, check. Baby.
Oh, nice.
Ay, you have hot sauce?
I forgot her name.
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Kaylee.
Chicken
They come here
samosa.
after school usually. Pero lang,
Kelly?
Kilia.
Kelly?
Nice. Try.
hindi pa rin. Yung masarap pa rin sa global village. Masabang lang yun eh.
Yeah, I like that.
Naman.
Ay, ganito, magdala kayo. Mura ba yun sa inyo? Mura yan dito, piso lang. Papalagay din si Kaylee. Ano ba, Kaylee? Magkakaano ka kasi? Baka magmantsa tayo.
Isa.
Baka magmantsa ikaw.
Hindi,
Ano?
nila mo sa pink. Yan. Yan.
Ano? Kaya na yun. Oh, you put it here. Deep your ketchup. Yan. Mommy will put this. Kasi pupunas niya yan sa katawan niya.
Iba.
Hindi pa nakaabot ng sukari pa. Yung outfit, wala na.
Bubusog na tayo. Wala pa yung pinakang pagkain natin.
Sarap may ano no hot sauce. Kaya nga, isa-isa lang eh. Akala ko apat-apat yung... Ano, paano pa yung dalawang malalaki ba yun? Ito? Order natin. Beef, pinatanong eh. Mabigat yun. Hindi na tayo magla-lunch. Sakto. Hindi tayo magla-lunch. So, dire-diretso ng lakad. Kasi di ko rin naintindihan yung food dun eh. Tapos, ano mahal?
You are which part of Philippines?
They're in Manila, in the southern. Ay no, northern.
Southern.
Southern. Kami ang
Southern. Southern part of the... South.
I mean Mindanao.
Oh, you are from Mindanao. Which
The one with a lot of
most of the
Muslims.
people that don't like spicy.
I know.
For example, this samosa, if you give them, they say, please take this back. I don't want because this is very spicy.
This one is not even spicy.
Yeah, but they are saying spicy. There are so many Filipinos and Filipinas.
More.
There are Filipinos who really like spicy food. My father likes a lot. He eat chili beside the rice.
But green chili is very good for their body, especially for heart.
You like it?
Green chili.
What do you want, ketchup?
My father, whenever he eats, he likes one chili with the rice. Take this.
Good raw chili.
Yes.
That's good. So you are here on visit?
Just visit.
No.
We're working in Hong Kong.
Living in Hong Kong.
Living in Hong Kong.
But you are basically your roots are from Philippines.
Sorry.
Yeah, Philippines. Origin.
Living in Hong Kong.
Like us.
You are living in Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah.
How is Hong Kong?
Very nice. Very good place and but expensive. Expensive.
They said the food is very expensive there.
Food is expensive.
Yeah.
Like in a one bowl of noodles, like
$35.
yeah, it's like
For
65
example,
dirhams.
here you are eating this chicken. What is that? For example, 25 dirham. Here, there, how much is that?
25
roast
dirham
chicken.
times
Example.
Times 2.
Times two.
Times two.
Times 2 the price.
Too much for us, right? Already.
Times 2.
But
Very
comparatively,
cheaper.
the salaries are more.
The salary, ano naman? Okay naman.
If somebody is taking here 4,000, there
The same.
Same lang din.
Yeah.
Same.
Here in
going to study.
it's nice the
Oh, my...
food.
Huh?
Cheap.
We would like to stay there because
You are paying taxes also?
no tax. No
They're
tax.
4,000 dirham. Housing is excluded.
Because we have a good boss. We cannot leave them. we cannot
They've
leave
been
them.
there for maybe 20 years.
20 years, working for 20 years already.
Look at her eating the ketchup. When they went here, they said, why it's so cheap? But for us, it's really expensive.
For us,
Expensive. Yesterday, we had 90 dirham. They said, oh my God, it's so cheap. For us, for breakfast, it's very expensive. Oh my God.
But for you, cheap, huh?
Yeah.
Cheap, yes.
They thought yesterday the bill might be 160.
Yeah, they were guessing that 150 or 100.
We always times 2 the price.
Because in Hong Kong, it's like that.
Times 2.
One bowl of noodles is
And
like 65
quality-wise
dirham.
here, the food is good, right? Quality-wise,
Oh.
right?
Kaya nga.
Dating tayo doon ng 11:30.
Kaya nga. Sabi ko, ay, alas 12 na tayo makakarating.
Okay lang din. Kasi kung ginising naman natin si Ayen
Diretso na tayo.
dahil
Tingnan natin kung
para...
anong oras ang schedule ng bird show. Para makapanood tayo ng show.
Anong meron sa bird show?
Mga birds.
Oo. Anong ginagawa nila doon?
Yung isa
Parang
kasi,
pinapalipad-lipad,
may dalawang klase.
ganon?
Birds of prey, yun yung mga, may kita yung mga agila, yung lipad. Hindi ko yung napasukan, nakulangan kami sa oras. Kasi may timing siya ni kung anong oras.
Oo. Parang
Tapos,
sa...
merong animal or bird show.
Don't eat that.
Magpi-perform Pilipino yung parang magagawa siya ng story. Tapos lalabas yung oposo. Tapos lalabas yung...
Parang sa Disneyland.
Oo, ganun. Tapos merong place doon kung saan ka feed ng birds. Ay, Katie, that's spicy. Feed ng birds, gaganon mo yung kamay mo.
Naku, bawal na bawal sa Hong Kong yun.
Pwede yun.
Nice.
Pero Kaylee, bawal ka. All the judges of this prison cell where the video
Is
is,
it a chicken?
they put a ban.
That one is
All
beef.
sanction ban, all the
Yeah,
credit cards or the visa
related to the relatives and all the judges is God.
This is
Yeah, okay.
this is beef. This is chicken tawa masala.
Worth the wait.
Masala.
Tawa
Because
masala.
we're going to Dubai Safari Park today. Yeah, and then they were thinking,
You went there, DFC, they visit
Not
Dubai
yet.
Festival
Not
City.
yet.
Not
Dubai
yet.
and very nice for
there's a
dancing.
light show, right?
Huh?
Light show.
No, yeah, 7 o'clock start.
7
6
o'clock.
to 7.
We're
going
there also.
Then we will go to IT.
How many more you are there?
And they're staying until January 3. So we still have time. It's very
I
exciting.
know you are enjoying it, huh?
Yes. And your food is so...
That's why they want
So good.
another one.
Okay,
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Lord.
Wow!
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lord.
Ay, nako.
Grabe!
Sabi, magka-almusal tayo, di ba?
Ayan, ano to?
Almusal. Grabe na rin doon sa almusal.
Pa-picture ulit tayo
Gusto
dapat.
nila matikman ang Indian food.
Kaya,
Ito with masala.
Masala.
gawa mo ko.
And beef.
Tapos
Pag may
kakain.
kakaiba kang nalasahan, masala yun. Sarap.
Dali, kumain mo ko dali.
Maanghang ko lang, pero bawas kayo.
You wanna go down?
Sarap, di ba? Sarap. Worth it yung ano. Kada daw dito kakain kasi worth it.
Uy! Uy! Ano yun?
Init ha?
Kailangan mo na na-emin
Parang nagiging local na si Betis ko ya.
Kaya nga eh. Ayun. Ganito ta?
Wala, try mo.
Ito na nga lang ako. Hindi ako makapagantay ng kutsara nila.
Ano?
Kakaiba.
Sige, kakaiba pala yan sa'yo eh. Sa'yo na yan.
Meron ka na ni Chay. Kaya kayo nito, big mama to. Maangang ka yan.
Okay lang. Meron naman tayo.
Ay, meron pa.
Lemon mint.
Lemon.
Apat natin.
Yan.
Kanina eh.
Sabi ko, Betis ko yun eh. Sa atin is
Hindi. Ito kay oo. Kuy lang yan. Kasi may ano ka, lemon. Thank you. Wow.
Tag-isokay na tayo ng food
Thank
park.
you. Thank you.
Ito yung social type pala ng food path. Na sa food path parang simple lang dito kasi yung mga wala.
Kaya nga. Maganda nga yung ganito lang.
Tignan mo
Kaysa
rin
sa...
yung passion.
Sige na try. Ay, pasok ko in order ni ate yung halo. Kaya try mo din to. Ito plain.
Worth it sa'yo.
We need to dip the ate.
Oo, sumusungkat yung isa.
Ito yung mix. Ito yung mix. May pomegranate.
Wow!
Ayun,
Ang sarap!
Try mo pomegranate baka
Drink daw.
Ang sarap! Tikman mo to. Pwede naman tayong share-share din.
Enough na. Eat your pizza.
Yan.
Wala, mas atin yung lemon mint for sure. Basta may mint, gusto ko yun.
Makalat sa bubig, no?
Nice din. Nice. Sarap, di ba? Pag mga lemon.
Tignan mo ba? Sabi ko mabasa. Ang lagay ng tissue.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry, brother. We will just pay for it. So sorry.
No.
Say sorry, Kaylee. It's okay. It's nabasa.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay.
Cry. Don't cry, baby. Kaya na, ayun. Kaya mo na yun. Ha? Buti nga't ganyan yung nabasa, hindi pinggan.
Hindi, yung mga juice. Ganyan.
Sarap. Nakailan na ako ito ang kulay.
Picture tayo.
Picture nakabasa.
Okay na.
I'm so sorry.
Nakabasa. Okay.
Kala ko nga